What's shaking up the AI world? Meet DeepSeek, the Chinese startup that's making waves and challenging the tech giants. With its latest models, DeepSeek-V3 and DeepSeek-R1, this company claims to rival the best AI models from the US at a fraction of the cost. And guess what? Its AI assistant just overtook chatgpt as the top-rated free app on Apple's US App Store. That's got big tech companies rethinking their billion-dollar AI investments. Even NVIDIA's shares took a hit. But how is DeepSeek doing this? Its AI models are not just powerful, they're insanely cost-efficient. The DeepSeek-R1, 20 to 50 times cheaper than OpenAI's equivalent model. Who's behind the magic? DeepSeek was founded by Liang Wenfeng, a financial wizard from High Flyer, a hedge fund turned AI powerhouse. Their focus? Artificial general intelligence, AI, that can outthink humans in most economic tasks. And it's not just the tech world paying attention. China's top leaders are watching closely. DeepSeek's founder was even invited to a closed-door meeting with China's premier. Why? Because DeepSeek's rise could be key to China's AI self-sufficiency, dodging US export controls. So, is DeepSeek the new AI disruptor? Or is there more to the story? The AI race is heating up, and DeepSeek just rewrote the playbook.